This is the historic Steveston Tram in Richmond, British Columbia. When you step inside and you will see the wooden seats where passengers once used to sit. You can buy 4 tickets just in 50 cents. It was so affordable at that time. And the tram system was begun in 1895 and served Richmond for decades. Its final passenger run on 1950. And the more exciting part is that conductor used to come in your each drop stop. Whenever passenger is dropping off, he used to say goodbye. And even you can try on his coat and this blue cap and can have pictures in this, and they even preserve the original tickets also. So yeah, the train may no longer, but its story lives on at the Steveston Tram Museum. You can must check out this place.